Hello everybody and welcome to the channel. If you're new here, please click on like and subscribe. If you've been here before, welcome back. This little short video I'm going to show you how to clean out the charging port on your iPhone. If you're having problems when you plug in the iPhone, if it doesn't feel like it's making a good secure connection or clicking, or if you have to wiggle it back and forth like I am there to get your phone to charge, before you do anything, power down your phone completely. Do not do this with the phone on. If you use your phone all the time, you keep it in your pocket, you get lint and dirt and dust and everything in there that you don't necessarily want in your phone. So when you're cleaning this out, you do not want to use anything metal. I'm using a plastic floss pick here. If you use something metal, there are contact pins in there that your iPhone cable actually touches. And when you're moving your pick across there, you'll feel those metal prongs. You do not want to bend those prongs. So probably gently, I'm just scooping out anything that's in there that shouldn't be in there. I do a lot of woodworking, I do construction work, so it looked like I had a piece of wood down in there. I've got some pocket lint in there. Basically, I'm just cleaning out the port. And you use a little can of air duster if you want to, or I just blow on mine and just blow the excess stuff out. So as you're scraping it loose, just blow in there and make sure you've got it all cleaned out, all the loose debris. You want to make sure you don't blow into your microphone or your speaker if you're using something like a compressed air, because you'll probably blow your speaker apart. So it's just easier to just puff of air, blow the port out. Now once you have all the big chunky stuff out of there, this is optional. Your phone will probably charge now, but I usually take a cotton swab and I'll pull the cotton off of the end of it like I'm doing here. I'm going to take isopropyl alcohol. I'm going to dip this down in the isopropyl alcohol and just basically clean up the contact points in there. Again, I use my phone for construction. It gets dirty, nasty, sweaty. If you're not that brutal with your phone, cleaning the lint or the dust or dirt out of it is probably more than enough. Now when you do this, I don't want to soak that piece of cotton. I've just basically got a little bit damp, squished all the excess out, and I'm just cleaning the outside point. Once I get the outside point clean, I'm going to take my pick, and again, I'm just doing the same thing. I'm getting a little bit of that alcohol on the tip of the pick, and I'm just working it down in there, cleaning out the bottom and the side walls. Again, I'm not prying up against the contact points. Once you get that done, just take a paper towel and wipe off any excess that are on the outside of your phone. Again, blow it out a little bit. The next thing I'm doing is I'm taking my cotton swab. I got it damp. Again, squeeze out all the excess, flatten it out the best I could, and now what I'm doing is rubbing it back and forth against the contact points. Now again, the same thing, you get grease, oil, body grease. If you're wearing makeup or something like that, you can get makeup on your charging cable. When you put in that hole, you get the makeup and stuff on your charging contacts. So again, cleaning those contacts up could help, but again, don't soak it, don't pour the alcohol down in there, and blow it out really good when you're done. And before you plug it back in, make sure that your port is completely dried out. Either blow it out or let it sit there for 4 or 5 minutes. If you're using isopropyl alcohol, the alcohol will basically absorb probably in a minute, but I let it sit for a few minutes just in case. As you can see, when you plug it in now, your cable snaps back in like it should in the first place, makes contact, and it charges your phone like it should.